Jordan 12 Pearl Pink lands November 21, 2025, bringing one of the most vibrant G's exclusives to date. Built for younger sneaker fans, the pair features rosy leather uppers with a textured mudguard, accented by muted raspberry hits on the collar, heel tab, and branding. A bright pink outsole adds extra energy, making it arguably the truest pink AJ12 yet, surpassing past standouts like the 2016 Dynamic Pink and 2021 Arctic Punch. Following a big year for AJ12 fans with releases like the Flu Game, Melo, and upcoming French Blue, this drop keeps the momentum going. Maintaining the silhouette's premium detailing and basketball heritage, the Pearl Pink blends luxury and playful color in a way that resonates with the next generation. Limited strictly to GS sizing, it stands as a bold, youthful twist on a beloved Jordan brand classic.